If your hair feels dry, dull, or frizzy no matter what you do, I think I found something that's actually worth trying. Stay until the end because I'm going to walk you through exactly what happened to my hair over the last 2 to 3 weeks that I've had this. My hair is really long and living in the desert leaves it feeling dry and thirsty. I wanted something that could deeply condition my hair without adding another long step to my routine, like the deep conditioners that you have to leave on for 15 minutes in the shower. I don't have time for that. Since I only wash my hair about twice a week, I use this overnight serum every wash night for the past 3 weeks. Night 1. I applied a few pumps to my damp hair before bed. It felt lightweight, absorbed quickly, and smelled amazing. It didn't leave my hair feeling greasy or sticky. The next morning, the first thing I noticed was how much easier my hair was to brush. It detangled so much faster, and I had noticeably less frizz. Wash night 2. My ends already looked healthier, and my hair felt softer while I was styling it. I didn't need as much smoothing product afterward. A few days later, my hair started looking shinier, especially in natural sunlight. It looked healthier without feeling weighed down. I kept using this night conditioning cream every few days. And the final wash at the end of week 2 was when I really noticed the difference. My hair felt smoother on the ends, looked much healthier, had a beautiful shine again, and the dryness I'd been fighting was so much less noticeable. I also loved waking up with hair that was easier to comb through the next morning. This overnight leave-in serum is packed with ingredients to help hydrate, smooth frizz, and strengthen hair while you sleep. There's nothing extra to do. Just apply it to damp or dry hair before bed on wash nights, or even every night if you want. There's no rinsing required. It's just like a hair lotion. If you've been looking for an easy way to give dry, tired hair a little extra love without spending hours on treatments, this has become part of my wash day routine. It brought back the softness, shine, and manageability my hair was missing. Check it out. You'll be so glad you did.